place is crazy. See here. Thank you, brother. Very good. This place is amazing. Wallah. Trust me, it's very good. Okay, smoke. I need juice. Buy some juice. Lots of food here. Lots of food, man. See local food. Seafood. Shrimp, calamari. Very good.
No, I don't want.
Local food is amazing. Let's go somewhere. Pattaya City, huh? Lemon, good man. See, at the top. See, beautiful place. It's very fresh, very fresh. See, people sit here enjoying their time. Take you another place. Lots of lychee, yeah, lychee. Lychee, how about it? So many juice. Smoothie, yeah. Beautiful smoothie, you see. Banana, jackfruit, orange. Many, yeah. See lots of Indian auntie, uncle. South Indian, you see, all have mustache. Pattaya is full of Indian. Full of India, Pattaya. Wow. Yeah, that's true. So, landmark. Beautiful. Have a good day, brother. Wallahi. So nice. Sorry, Thailand. Salam alaikum. People are very nice, man. Here, very good place. Here also, China, Japan, Korea all come here to fuck girl. What I can say, shopping, I smoke too much. Life is wonderful. That's true. Real life, Pattaya, look yourself. It's a beautiful place. Wallahi, wallahi, see. It's a bit dark here. But refresh. Air is very fresh. You see here? Oh, very good. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Holy cow, how beautiful it is. It's low light, huh? Still you can capture some footage, you see. It's amazing, amazing. Appreciate Pattaya, Thailand. Look at this place, man. How beautiful. That's beautiful. Pattaya city here. How quiet, how beautiful this place it is, you see. Very good. Local people sit here relaxing, enjoying their time. Slow light is still very beautiful. Pattaya landmark. See. This place is crazy. No doubt. This place is insane. Wallah, wallah, how beautiful it is. Pattaya city. Pattaya. City of Pattaya. How wonderful it is. Show you the name. Shop here. Oh. Pattaya city. How peaceful, how beautiful it is. Refresh yourself and go back. Smoke shit, walk around. You know, life is wonderful. Trust me, life is wonderful. The way I see the world, it is very important for everyone. You understand? This is more peaceful, daily. You know, life is. You never know your life when it's finished, bro. You never know when your life finish. No one knows. See landmark. Pattaya city, you see. Very good. Pattaya city. So what I mean is, you never know fucking tomorrow your life is gonna fucking finish or something. Whatever you live, enjoy your life, living your life, man. You never know what's come to you. Enjoy the ride, make the memory. You understand? Make the memory, enjoy the life. That's more important than anything, man. You know, it's not easy, you know. So choose what make you feel happy. Choose what make you feel happy. Give priority yourself, no one else. Brother, trust me. I've been there. I give priority family, friend. You know, no friend. Give yourself priority. Don't be slave. Try to get out of slavery. Like you get a job. Year and year you do same shit job. Suck your energy. End of the day you work for bullshit. End of the day the money $2,000 you pay fucking rent. The God create this land is free. Are you fucking serious? What kinds of slavery it is, brother? This is incense, bro. This is incense. God create us this wonderful earth, huh? But we are the one pay this money. This is disgusting, man. Disgusting. See Pattaya landmark. Pattaya. This one. I'll show you very close. Pattaya city. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This place is amazing. You see? Oh. Pattaya. You see? City of Pattaya. How nice view this city. You can see. Wonderful, wonderful. Life most important thing is find out yourself what make you happy, what make your life productive, you know. The things you don't like you're doing year and year, it's make you miserable life shit, bro. We never take a challenge, we never take a risk. That's why we laugh is fucked up. We don't take risks, do big thing, fail big thing, then we learn. That's how it is, you know. That's how it is. Life is not black and white. You have to be struggle. You have to be fight back every single day. No one care about your feelings, bro. Trust me, no one give a shit your feelings. Everyone only wants their own benefit. Don't think someone come rescue you, help you for something. It's not gonna happen. It will never be happen. So guys, one thing remember, life is more important thing is who you are. What is your purpose? What make you happy? This is the main message for everyone. That's how life is. See how beautiful. How beautiful. You Go whenever you feel safe, any country, refresh yourself, the place you like. I like music, I want to smoke weed. I smoke weed, make me feel happy. If you think it's drug, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a shit what people think. Only thing I care, I love it, I enjoy it. I tested many shit, you know. Only thing I like, weed would make me clearness. All the look at the all smart people, billionaire people, all take this type of drug. It give you clear, you know, like Elon Musk. They take drug regular basis, right? We take drug regular basis. So, so what next actually? It's nothing. Drug make you clear. Your vision, your thinking, so many things, you know. So be mindful about this. Okay? Do whatever makes you happy. Okay? So enjoyable. People sitting around it. How nice it is. How fresh. See how bit low light, but it's still okay to